My name is Dr. Frank Taluski, and I'm the curator of the W.J. Veal Botanical Garden, and I'm a professor in the Department of Plant Biology. Right, we've opened up the Plant Biology Teaching Conservatory this afternoon, and we'll have it open for the next few days for the public to have access to see our blooming giant corpse flower. This is a tropical plant that's native to Indonesia, specifically to the island of Java. And it's a rather large plant that's also related to our Jack in the Pulpit, or our skunk cabbage that we have growing here in Michigan. But the thing that's really exciting about this plant is that it is the largest flower in the world. And it blooms fairly irregularly and fairly rarely. It can take upwards of several decades for a plant to build up enough and store enough energy in order for it to flower. And plants that are pollinated by most animals usually attract that animal with a rather pleasant scent. And think of how roses have attracted us to hybridize them with their beautiful rose scent. But this particular plant, which is native, again, as I said, to Java and Indonesia, is pollinated by a beetle that is normally attracted to the smell of rotting meat.